Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. A while before, in the community tab of the channel, I asked you, what you want the next tutorial to be about. And I really got many suggestions. I responded to some requests, and many others still waiting. So today, I decided to respond to Naveen Dahal. He asked for a detailed explanation on every tool on a series, and some famous logos breakdown. So today, I will show you how the Adidas trefoil logo was designed, and I will feature the reflect tool, and show you how it works. Adidas is one of the most iconic sporting brands in the world. In 1947, the owner of the company, Adolf Dassler, named his company from the combination of his nickname, Eddie, and the first three letters of his last name, Das. Adidas has long been famous for its three stripes design, but they weren't the first company to use it. The original owner of the three stripes concept was Kahoo Sports. And because Kahoo was short on capital after the World War II, the owner agreed to sell the trademark to Adidas for $1,800, and 2 bottles of whiskey. In 1971, Adidas unveiled the trefoil logo, with the 3 stripes included. This logo was later replaced by the current 3 bars mark, that represent a mountain slipping upward, to symbolize the challenge to be faced, and the goal to be achieved. And first appearing in 2005, the word mark with the 3 simple stripes at the left, is the most minimal Adidas logo to date. Now, I will show you the process of designing the trefoil logo. Select the ellipse tool and make a circle. Swipe the fill and color. Hold Alt and drag the circle to the right to duplicate it. Select the 2 circles, go to the Pathfinder, and press on Intersect. Now we got the first leaf. Let's make it a little bigger. Swipe the fill and color, and hold Alt and drag the leaf to duplicate it. With the Rotate tool, click here to change the position of the reference point, then drag to the right to rotate the leaf. Drag it to make it more close to the original leaf. I'll rotate it a little bit more. Now, we will use the featured tool for today's video. It's the Reflect tool. Click and hold on the Rotate tool, then select the Reflect tool. Hold Alt and click on this point to make the reference point for the reflection. Make sure that the vertical option is selected, then don't click on OK, and make sure to click on Copy. And that's how the Reflect tool works. Now, make a horizontal rectangle here. Then stretch it to cross all the 3 leaves. Give it the black color. Then hold Alt and duplicate it twice. Then try to make the space between approximately equal. Select everything, then with the Shape Builder tool, hold Alt and drag over the stripes to delete it. With the Pen tool, click here, then here, and continue to close the shape, and to make all these three white parts of the leaves united in one shape. Do the same thing for this three parts. Select these shapes together. Go to the Pathfinder, and click on Unite. And do the same thing for those shapes. And this is our trefoil mark. Now, we will make the word mark. The typeface used for Adidas has been specially created for the logo, but we can recreate it using some other fonts. Type the word Adidas. Make it a little bigger. Then change the font to Avant-Garde Demi BT. You will find the fonts used linked in the description. Resize the word to make it in the same width of the trefoil mark. The word looks the same as the Adidas word mark, but the letter S still looks odd. So, with the text tool, select the letter S and change the font to Helvetica Bold. And that's it. This is pretty much the Adidas trefoil logo. Now we will add the registered mark to the logo, and there is no need to design it from scratch. Using the text tool, hold Alt and type 0174, and that is the registered mark created automatically. Now I'll make it a bit smaller. And place it here. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and ask me anything in the comments section. See you in another video.